Welcome to Plast 2026 from Moretto, and we are very glad to allow this European customer to this Plast. The big novelties of Moretto in the Plast is first of all the Loadmatic, then Hypercut, the XComb XC19 and 20, the Delphi RFID automatic sorting units, and the Mobilux mobile frame, modular frame for the drying technology. Of course, I would like to spend a little bit more words about the Loadmatic system. Loadmatic system is coming after many years of trials and study and prototyping, and thanks to different technology we had developed, plus AI that was coming in the last, let's see, years, and the genius of our team, we combine this performance, putting together the cruise control system, the X-loaders with the Sentry technology, and the one-wire 6 system, creating the Loadmatic. Loadmatic is the self-learning system to have always the feeding system of a company in the maximum performance in terms of capability and in terms of energy saving. This is a big step ahead for all the feeding systems around the world. It's a unique and patented solution of Moretto, and I'm very proud to present to our guests in these days in Plast this new technology, and we'll invite our client, our partner, to come over here or to see in the next exhibition to explain which is these novelties in this particular world of feeding system, like it has been in the past the Flowmatic for the dryers.
Please tell us more, how does your innovations can improve efficiency and energy consumption?
Yeah, nowadays when you deliver feeding systems, you set up also it. You set up what? You set up the cycle time, you set up the feeding aspiration time, you set up the cleaning times, and there is so many variables that influence the performance of the feed, the type of material, distance of the material, the path of the pipe, if it is a virgin, if it is a regrind materials, and during the use of the systems, this condition can change. Okay, because the production, the client can change their needs, but most of the time they are not going to retune the system in the best performance. In these cases, the customer has not to think about that. The system think through the Loadmatic technology to auto-tune and self-learning the new conditions in order to keep the best performance in terms of feeding, so it's not underloading or overloading the upper loaders, but the X-loader will be loaded in the right quantity and is using the correct energy, because you are not using more energy or less energy or what you need, avoiding loss in productions or avoiding problem after that because you have overloaded the upper loader. So it's always keeping the feeding line in the best performance in terms of characteristic of the systems.
At Plast you are on your local market. Can you share your impressions?
I'm very happy, to be honest. In this unstable situation, international situation, due to not controlled variable, let me say, and after some exhibition of last week, for example, there was UK, in France, in Spain too. Yesterday was the first day and it was quite good for Moretto, so definitely different respect to the first day of other exhibition of last week. Today it's just started, but we are fully amazed of this quantity, at least, of client today. It is important because it's more important to meet in this period where the people need to be motivated and auto-motivated to have coffee, to show technology, to see that there is a company, and I'm very proud for Moretto, that is always investing and present new tools that can help the client to make a new investment, to be more competitive and to be more, let me say, stable in an unstable, let me say, situation, worldwide situation. So welcome to all the guests to the Plast and the next fair.
What are the other events when we can meet Moretto?
A unique event that we started in March till the end of the year, and then I think it will continue, is the Moretto in Tour. Practically, it's the Moretto in motion. So we have a motorhome that is visiting all our partners around Europe. We plan to visit the client, the partner, to go to his parking spot, put the motorhome, open a showroom for all the people that can touch, use and see our technology. Maybe not all the people can travel today or can go to the fair, and we have decided to go to the client with, let me say, all the novelties I was speaking over here, other news, in order to keep confidence to the client, to the Moretto solutions, and to show that we are close to the client. So I would like to invite, all our customers to, let me say, to join the Motor Emotion events that will come from now till probably November, end of November.